阿公撸怕孙，露露陪你背单字，14个你一定要知道的感受形容词。你准备好和露露一起背单字了吗？游戏规则很简单，和露露一起把单字念2遍，看中文答案，然后听例句，常用搭配词，重复练习，挑战自己。在重听的时候，挑战自己，看看你是不是很快就能说出单字的中文答案，还有同一个单字的不同解释，并且说出常用的搭配词和例句。Are you ready? 5、4、3、2、1，我们开始了。Angry, angry, angry， 生气的，愤怒的。Angry with someone， 对某人生气。I am really angry with Rosanna. Angry about something， 对某事生气。I am really angry about losing the game. Bored, bored, bored， 感到无聊的。Be bored with something， 对某事感到无聊厌烦。I am bored with my everyday routine. Get bored， 感到无聊。I got bored after playing the same game for an hour. Boring, boring, boring， 无聊的。This movie is boring. I found this book to be boring. Curious, curious, curious， 好奇的。Curious about something， 对某事感到好奇。I am curious about everything in my new school. Curious to know， 很想知道。I was curious to know about what happened. Excited, excited, excited， 兴奋的。I am excited about tomorrow's field trip. Excited to， 对某事感到兴奋。I am excited to join your team. Exciting, exciting, exciting， 令人兴奋的。This is a really exciting game. Exciting discovery， 令人兴奋的发现。The scientists made an exciting discovery. Interested, interested, interested， 感兴趣的。Interested in someone, something， 对某人、事感到兴趣。She was really interested in science. Interested in doing something， 对于做某事物感到兴趣。I am interested in learning Chinese. Jealous, jealous, jealous， 嫉妒的。She is a jealous girl. Jealous of someone, something， 对某人、事感到嫉妒。She is jealous of her friend's talent. Lonely, lonely, lonely， 孤独的，寂寞的。She has a lonely life. Very lonely， 非常寂寞的。After her best friend moved, she became very lonely. Mad, mad, mad， 疯的，神经错乱的。She must have gone mad. Mad at someone, something， 对某人、事感到生气。The mother is mad at her child. nervous, 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 紧张的，担心的。Feel nervous, 感到紧张的。I feel nervous during the exam. Nervous about something, 对某事感到紧张。I feel nervous about the math exam. Sad, 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 伤心的，令人难过的。It is a sad story. Sad about something, 对某事感到难过。I am sad about the bad news. Scared, 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 害怕的。Scared of something, someone, 对某事、某人感到害怕。I am scared of spiders. Scared of doing something, 害怕做某件事。I am scared of riding on roller coasters. Unhappy, 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 不高兴的，不满意的。He is an unhappy boy. Unhappy about something, someone, 对某事、某人不满意。I am unhappy about the food in the restaurant. 恭喜你完成练习了，要记得回来复习，挑战自己哟。谢谢你收看今天的秋来阿公露帕孙露露陪你背单字。如果你喜欢今天的内容，请给我们一点鼓励，帮我们订阅、点赞，还有不要忘记按下小铃铛哦，这样才不会漏掉我们最新的内容哟。我们下次再见，拜拜。